We got Ray.
And
Isaac.
what are we doing today, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Of course.
You trust Lee?
Sure.
You guys are crazy. Whose idea was this? So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday.
Yeah, it's okay.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
Dang, I don't even know.
What about you?
Jesus saves.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, and the phone. Please burn all of it. Bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun. High five. High five. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. You ready for this?
Ready.
Yeehaw! Let's get in. Let's get up. Let's get out of this. First, go have some fun. Yeah.
Let it go.
Another turn? Sure, let's pull either one down. Lean forward. Put your hands on my knees. All right, man, what'd you think of that?
That was great.
You did awesome. You gonna do that again someday?
Man, hey, we'll see.
All right, man. Next time I'll let you open the parachute. High five. Sky, Colorado Springs. Thanks for coming out. All right.